Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem which came in the year 2021 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is the value of the integration over 0 to 4 x minus f of x dx, where f of x is equal 0 for x 0 less than equal it's from 0 to 1. The value of fx is 0. Fx equal 1 when x is 1 to 2. Fx equal 2 when x is 2 to 3. Fx equal 3 when x is 3 to 4. Fx equal 4 when x is 4 to 5. And the options are option A 2, option B 1, option C -1, option D -2. Okay, first of all, let me tell you that many of you see whenever you see this kind of questions, you become nervous and you think that this kind of problems are very complicated, but it is not at all. It's very easy. Just a little calculation, that's it. It's really very easy. So let's solve this this problem. Okay, so first of all, let's write it down. So our integration is 0 to 4. So let's write it as I equals 0 to 4 x minus f of x, okay, whole dx. Okay, so let's first separate these two x and fx, okay, with their limits. So it is 0 to 4 x dx minus 0 to 4 f of x dx. Okay, now we need to integrate x from 0 to 4, and from there we have to subtract integration of f of x dx, okay, from 0 to 4. So we need to integrate x and we need to integrate f of x in the limit 0 to 4. Okay, now here given that the value of f of x is 0 when the value of x is 0 to 1, that is 0 less than equal x less than 1. Okay, the value of f of x is 1 when x is 1 to 2, that is 1 less than equal x less than 2. Okay, similarly when x is 2 to 3 it is 2, when x is 3 to 4 it is 3, when x is 4 to 5 fx is 4. Okay, so we don't need it because the limit of x, here you can see the limit of x, you can see from 0 to 4. Okay, since it is dx, so we are integrating dx, we are integrating x. Okay, so the limit is from 0 to 4, so we don't need this. First of all, just cross it out, cross it out. Okay, now see, just since here these limits are divided, that is the from limit 0 to 1 the value of fx is 0, from 1 to 2 the value of fx is 1, from 2 to 3 it is 2, and from 3 to 4 it is 3. That means we need to divide this limit, that is 0 to 4, into 4 parts. Okay, so let us write it down. So it is integration 0 to 4 x dx minus, let's divide it. Okay, that is 0 to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 2 f of x dx plus 2 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to 4 f of x dx. Okay, so we have divided the whole limit from 0 to 4 into 4 parts. That is from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, and from 3 to 4. Okay, so now just write it down, x dx from 0 to 4 minus. Now see that from 0 to 1, fx is 0. The value of fx is 0. So from when the limit is from 0 to 1, the value of fx would be 0. So let's put it down, 0 to 1, fx would be 0 dx. Plus from 1 to 2, the value of fx would be 1. Okay, from 1 to 2, the value of fx is 1. So plus 1 to 2, it is 1 times dx. Plus from 2 to 3, the value of fx is 2 to 3, the value of fx is 2. So it is 2 to 3, the value of fx is 2. So dx, 2 dx. Plus 3 to 4, the value of fx is 3. Okay, so it is 3 dx. Alright, now 0 to 4 x dx minus. Now see, when we are integrating 0, that means it will give us 0, right? 0 times dx. That means this part would be 0 because it's 0 here. So it's 0 plus, see, 1 times dx. That means dx, it is 1 to 2 dx. Okay, plus 2 to 3, it is 2 times dx. Okay, so let's take out of integration because it's just a number, that is a constant. So it is 2 times integration over 2 to 3 dx plus integration over 3 to 4. It is again a constant. This 3 is a constant, right? So we can take it out of integration. So 3 times integration 3 to 4 dx. Okay, so now we get integration over 0 to 4 x dx minus integration 1 to 2 dx plus 2 times integration 2 to 3 dx plus 3 times integration 3 to 4 dx. Okay, now the value of integration x dx is x square by 2. Okay, integration of x dx is x square by 2. So it is equal, let me write here. So it is equal x square by 2. Okay, I hope you know how to integrate it. If you don't know, you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so x dx, integration over x dx is equal x square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 4 minus integration over dx will give us only x, right? So here x, and the limit is from 1 to 2 plus 2 into integration over dx, that is again x. Here limit is 2 to 3 plus 3 into integration over dx, that is again x. Here limit is 3 to 4. Okay, now we need to put the upper limit and the lower limit in all the x's. Okay, so first of all, this x square by 2, that means we will get it as 4 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. So it will give us, it is equal 4 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2, that is upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, minus, it's a portion, minus, next is x, that is in the limit 1 to 2, so it is 2 minus 1. First put 2, that is the upper limit, in x, and then first put this 2, okay, in x, and then put the lower limit, that is 1. So 2 minus 1, so 2 minus 1, okay, plus 2 into, again put upper limit in x minus lower limit in x, so 2 into 3 minus 2, 2 into 3 minus 2, plus it is 3 into, next is 4 minus 3, similarly 3 into 4 minus 3. So this is all. So now we get 4 square by 2, that is 16 square by 2, that is 8, minus 0 square by 2 is 0, okay, minus 2 minus 1 will give us 1, plus 2 into 3 minus 2 would give us 1, plus 3 into 4 minus 3 would give us 1, okay, so we get 8 minus, so 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 1 is 3, so 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6, so 8 minus 6, that is equal 2. Okay, so our answer for this question is 2. So which option? It is option A. Okay, so we get the value of integration, that is this I equal 2. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this solution, you can tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!